Every modern internal combustion engine possesses a profound secret. Buried within its electronic control unit, or ECU, lies untapped potential, a programmed limitation preventing the engine from delivering its absolute maximum theoretical output. This isn't an oversight, it's an intentional design choice, intricately woven into contemporary automotive engineering, carrying significant economic, regulatory, and performance implications, forming a core mystery for enthusiasts and engineers alike. The ECU functions as the central nervous system of your vehicle's engine. It's a sophisticated microprocessor processing continuous, real-time data from myriad sensors throughout the engine bay. These sensors monitor crucial parameters like manifold absolute pressure, oxygen levels, crankshaft position, and coolant temperature. This incessant data flow enables the ECU to make instantaneous, precise adjustments to critical operational parameters, orchestrating the complex sequence of events required for efficient and reliable combustion. These parameters under ECU dominion include granular control over fuel injection duration and timing, ensuring the precise air-fuel ratio for diverse engine loads. It dictates ignition advance, adjusting spark timing to extract maximum combustion efficiency without pre-ignition or knocking. In forced induction powertrains, the ECU rigorously regulates turbocharger boost pressure. It also commands variable valve timing systems, altering valve overlap and lift to optimize volumetric efficiency across the RPM range. Even the electronic throttle body position is governed by the ECU, translating pedal inputs into precise air intake volumes. Automotive manufacturers, despite designing engines capable of higher performance, frequently release them with deliberately constrained power output. This strategic practice, universally referred to as detuning, isn't arbitrary suppression. Instead, it represents a deeply considered engineering compromise, where peak power potential is intentionally modulated and sacrificed. This serves to achieve a broader set of design objectives, driven by market demands, regulatory mandates, and critical long-term reliability considerations across the vehicle's lifespan. One primary and dominant driver for this intentional detuning is stringent global emission standards. Modern ECUs are meticulously programmed to ensure compliance with ever-tightening legislative requirements, such as Euro 6, U.S. EPA standards, and California's CARB regulations. Maximizing raw engine power, particularly under high RPMs, often conflicts with the intricate chemical processes necessary to minimize harmful exhaust gases like nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, and unburned hydrocarbons. The ECU must precisely manage exhaust gas recirculation and catalytic converter efficiency to meet these legal limits. Beyond environmental compliance, fuel efficiency stands as an equally critical design metric. Facing escalating governmental pressures and consumer demand for lower running costs, companies must meet rigorous corporate average fuel economy targets. Calibrating an engine for optimal fuel consumption across a wide spectrum of driving conditions, from urban traffic to highway cruising, frequently necessitates a calculated reduction in peak power output. The ECU's programming consistently prioritizes economy over raw output, often achieved by limiting boost pressure, retarding ignition timing, or leaning out fuel mixtures under specific scenarios. Engine durability and long-term longevity are paramount for mass-produced vehicles. Operating an engine consistently at its absolute theoretical maximum can significantly accelerate wear on vital internal components like pistons, connecting rods, and turbochargers. The factory ECU calibration incorporates substantial safety margins, deliberately limiting peak torque and horsepower to mitigate severe thermal and mechanical stress. This proactive measure safeguards the engine against premature failure, drastically reduces costly warranty claims, and extends the vehicle's operational life under diverse customer usage and maintenance habits. Another strategic and financially motivated reason for detuning involves market segmentation. Automotive companies frequently leverage the same fundamental engine hardware across a diverse product line, from economy sedans to premium SUVs. By implementing distinct software calibrations within the ECU, they effectively offer widely varying power outputs. For example, a 150 horsepower base version and a 200 horsepower sport version from an identical 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. This strategy differentiates models, targets distinct price points, and maximizes economies of scale in production without incurring significant expense for new mechanical powertrains. Furthermore, manufacturing processes introduce slight variations in component tolerances across any large production run. Not every fuel injector flows identically, nor does every sensor read with perfect precision. The factory ECU tune is painstakingly designed to accommodate and compensate for these inevitable production variances. It incorporates a wide operational envelope and adaptive learning, ensuring consistent, robust, and safe operation across vast production volumes. This approach prioritizes broad reliability for every vehicle, rather than optimizing solely for a single, perfect engine, guaranteeing consistent performance, emissions, and longevity. This inherent reserve of power, left dormant by conservative factory calibrations, has catalyzed the emergence of a thriving global aftermarket industry focused intently on ECU tuning, or engine remapping. Specialized tuners possess the expertise and sophisticated tools to exploit the manufacturer's cautious approach, developing and implementing proprietary software modifications to unlock the engine's latent capabilities. This demands a deep, technical understanding of engine combustion thermodynamics, intricate sensor interpretation, and the sophisticated logic programmed into the OEM's ECU architecture, often involving reverse engineering. Tuning fundamentally involves modifying the maps or sophisticated multidimensional data tables stored within the ECU's non-volatile memory. These maps are digital blueprints dictating how the engine reacts to a vast array of inputs, such as accelerator pedal position, engine load, and ambient temperature, by intelligently adjusting critical operational parameters. This encompasses reshaping fuel delivery curves, advancing ignition timing angles, elevating turbocharger boost pressure targets, and sharpening electronic throttle response. The common procedure involves flashing a revised, performance-oriented software file directly into the ECU via the vehicle's OBD2 port. The primary and most gratifying benefit of ECU tuning is a substantial increase in both horsepower and torque, often delivering significant improvement in acceleration and driving dynamics. However, this pursuit of enhanced performance comes with considerable risks. Aggressive tunes can push engine components beyond design stress limits, leading to accelerated wear, premature turbocharger failure, or even catastrophic engine damage. Moreover, modifying the ECU can unequivocally invalidate the manufacturer's warranty, and in many jurisdictions, compromise emissions compliance, potentially leading to legal issues or failure during inspections. Various sophisticated approaches to ECU tuning exist, each with its own methodology. Flash tunes directly replace factory software with a performance calibration. Piggyback modules are external devices that intercept and modify sensor signals before reaching the main ECU, effectively fooling the factory computer into altering its output without rewriting the core software. Custom dyno tunes represent the pinnacle of bespoke optimization, involving real-time calibration on a dynamometer, where parameters are meticulously fine-tuned for a specific vehicle, its unique hardware modifications, and the exact fuel used, allowing for truly personalized and highly efficient performance profiles. Tailored to individual needs. Ultimately, the decision to detune an engine from its maximum potential is a profound engineering compromise, reflecting a complex, often conflicting interplay of numerous design objectives. Manufacturers are tasked with balancing peak performance against long-term reliability, stringent fuel economy targets, and ever-evolving emissions regulations, all while operating within tight cost constraints and competitive global market landscapes. The factory tune, therefore, represents a meticulously chosen equilibrium, prioritizing robust reliability, broad applicability, and guaranteed regulatory compliance over the singular pursuit of maximum power output from the underlying hardware. Therefore, the enduring mystery of the hidden power within your car's computer is not an oversight, nor a technological flaw. Instead, it is a deliberate, sophisticated, and strategically implemented engineering decision. It serves as a compelling illustration of the intricate balance automotive manufacturers must constantly strike between raw performance aspirations and the multifaceted realities of legal requirements, component durability, mass market appeal, and global economic demands. Understanding this complex interplay offers crucial insight into modern automotive engine management and the inherent compromises embedded within mass-produced vehicles, revealing a fascinating aspect of automotive design.